Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Currently we are out at our old fallen building that I want to create a series on, removing it. We've already started with some of it, but I want to take you guys along. I want to build a tiny house here, so hopefully you guys will come along with that too. If you guys like this, please hit that subscribe button. But we'll get started probably in the next couple days, trying to remove all that. There's some old tractors in there. I'll take a walk around here in a second. But the second thing, guys, thank you guys all for watching my YouTube short that blew up a little bit. Also, both of my paramotor videos were down there. We'll do more of that, hopefully before it gets too cold. But let's take a tour of this olden building, the collapsed building that I want to tear out. So here we go. Hello guys, we have old lawnmowers in here, a lot of scrap metal that I might be able to take to the scrap yard. I don't know about that, but we're laying a lot of the metal right here. All this was like a roof falling over, but it's all getting cleaned up. This side is still pretty bad. You can tell the roof has collapsed, but we'll tear all this out, tear all these old trees, or some of these trees will stay, some of them get tore out, and still got some over here. That used to be, that truck topper used to be where the garage is, but it collapsed and fell on it, so maybe we'll get to that truck topper again. I don't know if there's something living underneath there, humans, I don't know. It would be a great spot to live, to be truthfully honest, and hide out. Tear out some more of these trees. This is gonna be a lot of work because we still got all this to go. But we have no tractors. So here's an old weed whacker thing. So we'll get all that cleaned up and hopefully you guys enjoy this. Another thing I really want to show you guys is this old shower. Shall we use the old shower? No, probably not. It's also cracked if you can't see it right there, but all this used to be kind of a roof over this. This is all getting tore up. You can see now, you can kind of walk in here. I'm going to be careful not to get a nail in my shoe. Bunch of gutter stuff. Some old some old oil bins and stuff like that. This one over here has a lot of oil in it. But we're going to tear all this out, getting one step at a time, just kind of pushing back and hopefully get it done by the end of the year. That'd be nice. And then I think this tree's going to go. A lot of these trees are going to go, but I'm going to keep some on the back side, and then over there, a couple of those are going to go. The corner one might stay, and that little one right there goes as well. But so we'll keep a couple trees, but all these trees are mostly volunteer trees that came up beside the building, so they shouldn't be too bad to cut out. And thank you guys for watching. So that's the building that we're tearing down right there. You can barely see it, but in the trees there. But thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and get ready for the teardown and probably some time lapse of it and stuff like that. So thank you guys so much. Peace out. Woo.